Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Today we're looking at the Ulanszi mini tripod. Okay, let's just do a little unboxing of that. So it just comes in a tiny little box. Alright, so first thing that I noticed about it is that obviously apart from the fact that it's only small, that it's only designed to be for lightweight video, mobile phones, iPhones, stuff like that. It has a universal screw-in mount, obviously, but it will not take any kind of weight. So you couldn't put a video camera or anything heavy on there, or a big SLR or something like that. Let's have another quick look. It's got rubberized feet grips, stuff that's sliding around. It's about the size of a hand, really is small. It's about 9 inches high by 1 inch wide. Feet are about 8, and the total height is about 5 inches. Likewise, it is a nice piece of kit. It is from China, and you know me with Chinese products, I stay well clear, obviously, because there you go, a small brand focusing on phonography. Can read that anyway. So yeah, it's nice. Got a little Ulanszi, and they're a branded make, so you kind of like know a little bit what you're getting. And then, as I say, for the money, I think it's cracking. I don't know how long it's going to last. I suspect, hopefully, you know, I've ordered a nice quality mount to go on there, so I'm going to video both together and I will see how they both perform. But for now, thanks very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I appreciate your support as ever, and thanks for watching. Catch you later.